Hi everyone, it's Lynnea. I have some goodies from LDRS Creative today, and I'm going to be making a fun spring floral wreath card. So in the Pelargonium stamp set, there is a baby's breath image, and I have always loved baby's breath. I would love to have just a bouquet of baby's breath sitting on my table. I think it's a really pretty flower. So I'm going to use this to create a wreath. I'm using LDRS Creative Alloy Hybrid ink, and I'm just going to stamp this baby's breath image 5 times. I think I stamped it. The great thing about this image is that you don't have to color if you don't want to. I thought that I would bring a little bit of life to the images. I have an R20 marker, and I'm just going to add a little dot of color in the center of each of the little flower buds. You definitely don't have to do this. You could skip this step and just go straight to the die cutting, but I like having that little bit of soft color. And I thought about doing this with a light blue or light purple, but I settled on pink. Then I used the coordinating Pelargonium die set, and I cut out all of those baby's breath images. I have a piece of kind of tealish minty striped pattern paper from the Pastel Pattern 6x6 paper pack. And I'm going to use the largest of the A2 stitched layered card toppers and cut this out and have a nice stitched edge to it. Now I'm going to create something to ground my wreath. I like to have a horizontal strip. Whenever I have a circular element in the center of my card, I like to add a horizontal strip to kind of give a little bit of break to the eye. So I'm taking that Pelargonium stamp set again and this checkered bordered stamp, and I'm going to use La La Lavender Hybrid ink and stamp this in a continuous pattern. The image itself is just a little bit short of my 4 1/4 width, so I need to line up this pattern to have it be continuous across a 5.5 inch piece of cardstock. This took longer than it probably should have, especially since I didn't need it to be perfect. The majority of this is going to be hidden behind that circular wreath element, but I took my time and I got it perfectly lined up, and then I can use my scissors to trim that away. I also stamped the hugs sentiment with the La La Lavender ink so that that would coordinate. I used the scalloped circle dies from LDRS Creative to cut a circle from that yellow honeycomb paper. It doesn't matter that the circle has a decorative edge to it. I'm going to be covering it up. I really just needed a large circle to form the base of my wreath because I'm not good at eyeballing a circular shape, and it would have ended up more rectangular than I wanted it to be. So I'm going to adhere all of my little baby's breath onto that circle die cut piece, and then just add that with foam onto my card base. I've already glued down that checkered border. I have my hugs die cut sentiment, and then a little butterfly that I stamped and colored from the Pelargonium stamp set as well. I will add all of these into the center with foam tape, and that completes my card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.